wanted to rebuild my life, but I was also going around various activities and various events, lalo na po sa mga eskwelahan, mga universities and colleges, and I was able to interact with a lot of people, especially young people. And many of them were asking, di mo ba kayo babalik sa Senado? Di mo ba kayo tatakbo? And I said, hindi muna. And then more and more, especially when we were exposed to the various sectors, and then of course, mga kasamahan ko sa ML and also sa LP, kasi ML nga is the sectoral wing of LP. And I was convinced that I think this would be another stage, another part of my journey na karugtong lang po ng aking mga naging journey noon na nakikilaban, na may mga pinaglalaban ng mga kausa na I think this time around, mas focus tayo sa marginalized. Kasi ang mga